Welcome to my YouTube channel, Umair Bhatt, and the title of my video is Stop Typing and Start Talking. And this is the ultimate guide to voice typing on your Windows 11. So if you are using Windows 11, if you are a Windows 11 user and instead of typing, you want to talk, so how you can do this? For this, we will need to open a program where we can see the typing like Notepad. And now you can press, the Windows key. Usually this you can find in your keyboard, on your keyboard, in between of Alt and Control key. So Windows key plus H you can press and see this is open. And now see, if we click here, so this will start voice typing. See, because I was using first, so therefore it was, by default it was turned on, but we need to turn on from here. So if we click here, then this will start voice typing. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And here I am uploading videos, content related to Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, web development, WordPress, and Windows 11 tutorials. See, welcome to my YouTube channel, welcome. See, and here I am uploading videos, content related to, so everything is there. So instead of typing, now you can use this talking feature in your Windows 11, and whatever you want to type, so you can just speak and Windows will automatically type whatever you are saying in the Notepad. And this is especially for those people who want to write articles and they don't have good typing speed. So instead of this typing, they can use this method. And there are some supported language, obviously, you can find in the Microsoft support website. And some of them like Spanish, Spain, Swedish, Tamil, India, and Thai, Turkish, and Irish, Gujarati, Hindi, and English, obviously, Australia, Canada, India, New Zealand, United Kingdom, United States, Chinese traditional, Hong Kong, and Chinese simplified, and Chinese traditional, Taiwan, and there are more other languages that are supported. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn these new skills and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.